So how can you find the numbers which you have deleted on the iPhone? Let me kind of explain to you how it could work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So inside of the Contacts app on your iPhone, when you delete stuff or one person, we don't really have the recently deleted folder. But it is very likely that a lot of people have some different accounts attached to their contacts. So if you go to the settings and find the apps at the bottom and look up contacts, you should be able to see the accounts. And if you have, for example, just like I do and many people as well, the Gmail contacts, right, or Google account added in here, then you can look up your internet browser, go to your Google contacts in there, and when you log in with the very same account, you can go to the side panel and find the trash right here. And if you have deleted something from those Google contacts, then for the next 30 days, these are going to show up inside of this trash where you will have the second chance to retrieve them for the selected period of 30 days. So that is kind of how it would work, but only if you have this account and if you have deleted contacts from the Google account. But there are even more options. Like obviously a lot of people added different accounts, like you might be adding a completely different platforms like the Microsoft or Yahoo or Outlook or something, and those might have their own places where the trash folder is going to be similar to Google. So I guess that would be the only way to retrieve them back. So I hope it helps. I really hope that I was able to explain the way that it works. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.